I just want to let y'all know that I have already reacted to about 9 tracks off of this album, so please make sure y'all go check out those reactions and stay tuned because I will be completing the full album.
What's good? It's your boy Montana 300, man. Rap God, FG shit, man. Shout out to World Class Lifestyle. You already know what it is, man. Squad. You must be stupid if you got a rapper in mind that you pick over me like a caption. Sauce on them, get him a napkin. I'm gonna snap like Sebastian. I'm out this world, I'm galactic. I'm talking different, no accent.
What up, y'all? Welcome back to World Class Lifestyle. And today we are reacting to Machine Gun Kelly, Kevin and Barracuda, plus Jawbreaker, the official audio. Let's get straight to it. Alright, y'all. Now, this is how I'm gonna do this because y'all know I got I'm gonna have what is it called? So like the Kevin and Barracuda, that one is gonna come first. I'm gonna, listen to that, whatever the fuck it is. I'm gonna listen to that, and then I'm gonna pause y'all. Put y'all on pause for like 1 second, and then we're gonna be reacting to Jawbreaker. So let's go. Let's go, like the baby. Oh shit. Is that like an iPhone FaceTime?
Yeah. Okay, wait, Pete, before we start, can you just give me some beep boops, beep boop boop?
Beep boop boop, beep boop boop boop, beep boop boop boop.
What's your alien name?
Roger. No, I'm gonna be Kevin, dude. I wanna be Kevin the alien.
Why was mine such a bad name? Mine was Barracuda.
Kevin and Barracuda, dude.
I'm like coming down off mushrooms, by the way.
Oh, that's great.
Off the
I can hear this
shrooms.
water running. Hold on.
Is that water still on?
That's not me.
Oh, it's not.
Whoa!
Did you be both aliens?
You want me to be both alien?
Just say, you know what place blows? Earth.
I agree. You know what place blows? Earth. I agree. Grab the sack. Let's go to Mars. We're such losers. That's why we gotta leave Earth, man. Don't forget, bring the weed.
I don't judge. Them niggas was fucked up off them drugs. Off them shrooms. Okay, I'm sorry. That was cringy. Alright. Jawbreaker next. My bad. Oh, shit. Alright. We back. I told y'all it was gonna take literally 1 second. Jawbreaker.
And this one is titled
Jawbreaker, she tastes like candy, star chaser, and she's not landing. LAX is in Miami. Jawbreaker, Jawbreaker.
This nigga said LAX is in Miami. What the fuck? Or am I tripping? I thought the LAX was in LA, nigga. What the fuck? I don't know, but he said she tastes like candy, Jawbreaker. Them Jawbreakers be slapping. What is them Jolly Ranchers? Them motherfuckers be the real Jawbreakers, no cap.
Would it kill you to smile? Let me occupy your mind. When 1,000,000 miles an hour, and it fucked up your design. 6 a.m., 6 apiece, and sex on the beach. 6 p.m., sexy girl, still can't let her leave. 6 a.m., back again for the same thing. 6 p.m., I won't end till I can't breathe. Jawbreaker.
I like that. I like that. Just to the way that he was flowing. Like, MGK knows how to flow on a motherfucking song. You know what I'm saying? I fucks with that heavy because he'll get on this one flow and he'll just go crazy with that one flow the entire time. Like, that shit is a man. I like that.
She tastes like candy, star chaser, and she's not landing. LAX is in Miami. Jawbreaker, Jawbreaker. I can feel you from the waist down. There's a movie on with no sound. I'm the architect of this town. You're the prototype I need now. 6 a.m., 6 a.m.
Right on. He said, I'm the architect of this town, so he built that shit. You know, he set the blueprint for all that shit. And then he said, you're the prototype, and I need you now. So I'm guessing a prototype is just the little human being he put into that world. So So he just saying, hey, I need you now, my baby. Let's go.
Peace and sex on the beach.
Hold on, that's my favorite part.
Protect of this town. You're the prototype I need now. 6 a.m. 6 of peace and sex on the beach.
Hey.
6 p.m. back again for the same things. Yeah, jawbreaker. She tastes like candy, star chaser.
Star chaser.
If she's not landing, LAX is in Miami. Jawbreaker, jawbreaker.
Bro, these songs real life do be short as shit. I be enjoying the fuck out of them, and just for them to be short as shit. I get them. It's just like a, you know, that's just a vibe of these rock punk / rock songs and shit like that. But I be feeling like, damn, you left me, you know what I'm saying, high and dry. That's because I love these type of songs, and then for me to love these type of songs, I was like, god damn, I would love to have more, you know what I'm saying? But hey, we got what we got. I enjoyed that, bro. Y'all know my favorite part was that 6 on the beach, or whatever the fuck he said right there. And I heard him at the end. I heard him throughout the course. He was like, she's a star chaser, so she stayed chasing stars. You know what I'm saying? That's all she wanted, stars. She don't want no random ass nigga. She don't want no nigga like me, cause I'm a bum ass nigga. But shit, that's fine. Oh, fuck her. Hey man, if y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure I hit that like button, comment down below, try to rate this song out of 10. It's a dime piece, 10 out of 10, bro. Like I said, the only knock on them is they be so fast, bro. Like a minute 58 seconds, 50. How long was it? A minute 57? A minute 57 seconds? Like damn. Shit, I'm trying to rock out for longer. But shit, the next reaction we got is Nothing Inside plus Banyan Tree Interlude. Now I know that's probably gonna be some weird shit too. I don't know, but yeah, man, that's gonna be the next reaction. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Check out these reactions over here because these are all of the reactions that were off the album and I reacted to them. So y'all make sure y'all go check those out. Share all of my videos and don't be stingy. And please make sure I hit that subscribe button plus the bell so that y'all get notified every single time I drop a video. Check out my new song is up above. If it's not up above, then it is the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.
Up, down, left, right, A, B, cheat code. Pull up my gun, sing like Lee Show. Rick on my coat, no superhero. BVS my wrist like Sub-Zero.